In today's video, I show you how to become eligible for YouTube Partner Program with Shorts. So starting in early 2023, creators can become eligible for YouTube Partner Program by gaining 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. So let's take a look at the details. So I am currently on google.com support page, and they are talking about the new ways to earn on YouTube. So YouTube has been hard at work evolving and expanding the YouTube Partner Program, that is YPP, and starting early 2023, updates to the YouTube Partner Program will open up access to partnership for more creators and give them more ways to make money with Shorts, including revenue sharing on ads. So basically how it's going to happen is that currently YouTube offers 10 ways for creators to earn money on YouTube. So while they are adding to the ways you can earn with this announcement, they are also introducing very eligibility thresholds for YouTube Partner Program to open it up to even more creators. So starting the year 2023, creators will be able to join YouTube Partner Programs by either 1. Getting 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, which is the current practice, or number 2, getting 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. So you will notice that for the YouTube Partner Program eligibility, you need 1,000 subscribers at the bare minimum and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. So something else you need to note is that there won't be changes to existing eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program, and also the valid public watch hours for Shorts views in the Shorts feed will not count towards the 4,000 valid public watch hours requirement. So something else is that once you are in the program, partners get access to all the features and benefits that YouTube Partner Program has to offer, including advertisements on long-form videos. However, on the eligibility requirement, keep in mind that the public views for Shorts in the Shorts feeds won't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours eligibility thresholds, okay? So something else to note is that all new and existing creators in YouTube Partner Program will become eligible for revenue sharing on ads that are viewed between videos in the Shorts feed. And each month, revenue from these ads will be added together and used to reward Shorts creators and help cover costs of music licensing. So guys, that is the basic update. So if you want to become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program with Shorts, that is what you need to know. Let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and please guys, remember to give the video a like so that the algorithms can share it with more people. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I will see you on the next one. Bye.